Want to go deer hunting with your buddies and have everything you need? We got space in the back for your side-by-sides, a ton of comfort features, and a bunch of accessibility features to get around easy as well. I'm Lauren at Dune Sport, and today I'm going to show you the FW44 TS. This one was built for a customer who hosts deer camp every season, needs to bring a two-seater side-by-side, and wanted a space that's not just roomy, but fully accessible. The whole idea here is to blend rugged adventure with real comfort. Think of a full residential kitchen, a roll-in shower with grab bars, and enough power and storage to stay out as long as you want. Let's check out what makes this hauler so special. First thing you'll notice walking up is the sheer presence. This rig stretches out to a full 44 feet, so you got room for all your gear and then some. But it's still manageable if you're used to hauling bigger toys. Exterior height is 146 inches, which gives you plenty of headroom inside and makes it feel open, not cramped. With 24 inches of ground clearance, you're not going to sweat those rutted roads or rocky camp spots. The hitch weight is 3,000 pounds, so you'll want a solid tow vehicle. But that's what lets you bring in all the extras. Outside, you've got a tough fiberglass finish that's easy to clean and stands up to the elements, plus a big 8x8 ramp door for loading your side-by-side with zero hassle. There's also outside storage for all your hunting gear and tools. All right, stepping inside, you can feel the difference right away. The interior height is 105 inches. I'm not exactly short, and I've got space to stretch. This hauler sleeps up to 8 with a queen bed and a slide out up front, a rear hapjack bed, and 2 recliner sofas that double as extra beds. The kitchen is all residential, full-size cooktop and oven, a big 12-volt fridge with freezer, and a deep stainless sink with a pull-down faucet so you can actually cook real meals and not just heat up cans. You got Mocha cabinets and Korean counters, which give it a homey vibe, and storage is everywhere. Full wardrobe across the nose, overhead bins, a big pantry, plenty of drawers. The bathroom is spacious, roll-in shower bench, grab bars, and an elongated toilet, all designed for easy access. This is where things get serious. You got a dry weight of 16,000 pounds with a GVWR of 24,000. So you're looking at a massive 8,000 pound payload. You can bring your side-by-side, bikes, and whatever else you want. It's built on a steel frame for strength and rides on heavy-duty axles with a 6-point Bigfoot auto leveling kit, so setting up camp is a breeze. Power-wise, you've got 800 watts of solar up top, 2 300 amp hour lithium batteries, a 3,000 watt inverter, and a 5,500 watt Cummins generator you can start from your phone. There's 3 mini split AC units and a 35,000 BTU furnace to keep you comfy in any weather. This is the stuff that actually makes your weekend easier. No worrying about running out of juice or sweating the setup. Picture rolling up into deer camp, dust flying and dropping the ramp to unload your side-by-side. There's space for all your hunting buddies, and you've got a real kitchen to cook up breakfast before heading out. After a long day, you can come back, kick back in your theater seats, and actually enjoy a hot shower that's easy to get in and out of thanks to the accessibility features. Or maybe you're off-grid for a week, running everything off solar and the generator, with enough storage and comfort to feel like you've never left home. This hauler is built for real adventure, but it doesn't make you sacrifice comfort or independence. So that's the 2026 Dune Sport FW44 TS, a hauler that's tough enough for the wild, comfortable enough to feel like home, and accessible for everyone. You get serious off-road power, true residential comfort, and a layout that just works. Whether you're hosting deer camp or heading out for a family adventure, if you want to create your own, go to dunesport.com, call us at 480-357-3863, or swing by Dune Sport if you're in Arizona and ask for Rodney. He designed this one. He's obviously good at this. and we'll see you on the next one.